A new day, a new project, and a new fixing. You see, I have this wireless bell, doorbell, and it's supposed to work, no? It should work. Okay, everything is fine here. This is absolutely on, of course, and nothing happens. If we check the battery, it seems like the battery is okay. We have enough voltage. Check that out. Plus and minus. And we have like, oh, sorry. Here we go. 11.86. So the battery is okay. Well, what I'm suspecting is the switch. I can hear a kind of click, but doesn't look like it's the one is doing the job. And let's see if we take tweezer and do a short here somewhere. This one. That's it. So the emitter is working and everything should be fine. Okay. Oh, look what I found. It's just coming out from the this is the really classic switch problem. Okay, this is very clear. The switch is gone. Screwdriver. Let's open it up. Of course, the battery should go out first. And there we go. Oh. Yes, of course. So I'm afraid there is nothing else to do. This one is gone. To tell you the truth, I don't really want to replace this, but why not? Okay, let's replace this. Let me find another switch. Yes, I think I can take one from this board. So I'm gonna have a switch from this board, plant it back over there, soldering iron in position. Okay, flux and all the other things we need. TS100 working spectacles, 350 degrees. Let's clean the tip. Flux, a lot of flux. Flux, it's always good. So let's take this out. I'll try to get these two things hot in the same time. And that was easy. Perfect. Now let's have a same story here. Flux. The secret here is to have flux and to try to have these pins, you know, melting in the same time. That should be okay. Nice. Let's clean the hole here. Let's make path for the, you know, like usually I'm using this kind of food stick, toothstick. It's very easy and fast. Well, let me see if these are enough to get the other side of the board, because this switch is supposed to be for surface mounting. All I can say that two of them are okay here. So These two are perfectly fine. This one seems a little bit short, but I don't think so. So let's put some soldering. Okay, I think it's good. Sounds good. Time for checking. Battery. Perfect. It's a fix. Back in place. Well, it feels good. Yes, right, it's working. Everything is fine. So this was a very simple fix, in fact. Very easy to be done. You may say that it's not worth it because this kind of bells are very cheap. I don't know, maybe $10 or something anyway. But so as long as we have the skills, why not? We are saving not money, but we are saving also the environment, you know, to produce all these plastics and, you know, switches and so on. It takes a lot of energy and a lot of time. So somehow call it or name it like a kind of environmental ecologic gain. Thank you for now. I hope it's useful. See you soon with some other projects. Don't forget to have fun, like, subscribe, and bye-bye.